Today we're going to do a quick video on how to install some lifters. Before you install your lifters, one thing to note, do not soak them. There's a number of reasons. One, it can interfere with proper rocker tightening with stock rebuilds, or if you have a high performance adjustable rockers, it can interfere with your valve lash adjustments. The best way to install your lifters is to first install them into your lifter tray. They will go in one of two ways because there are two flat surfaces. Because we have these soaked in oil, we don't have to worry about it, but if you didn't have these soaked in oil the right way, add a little bit of oil to the inside of your lifter tray where you slide in your lifter. All right, again, if you wouldn't have soaked your lifters like we did, now you'd want to put oil on all the surfaces of your lifter, including the rollers. But because we accidentally soaked ours, we don't have to. All right, now we should be able to install them. They should slide in easily. If they don't seem. All right, we'll toss on our bolt. And then we'll torque it down between 89 and 106 inch-pounds. Be sure not to over torque because that can crack your lifter trays.
If you've made it this far in the video, make sure you click that like and subscribe button.
Was it? Yep. Now you just repeat that 3 more times.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Roy Garage. Next, we're going to be installing the heads on this LS Refresh Rebuild, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out. We'll catch you next time.